Okay guys, so this is what I'm going to do. You guys see a large container there, and then that's a tomato cage, and a container and a tomato cage. And I've adjusted it a little bit because lima beans, any type of beans, they're going to grow up, so they're going to need some sort of support. As you guys can see, that's Miss Mosley's plant right there. You can see that it's growing, but it won't stay that way without some sort of support. So I'm going to put them in there. And my plan was for all the plants, I plan to put them in the ground in the garden that I have out back. But I'm going to do something different because it looks like it might get cold in the next few days. And my plan is to bring them into my office or somewhere where they can continue to get sun and be safe from the elements. So that way, if we lose those plants over there, we'll at least have these guys, right? I think they're going to do okay, but just as insurance and to kind of help with the process as far as being able to keep them going. That way I will always kind of try to have something to show you guys. So that's my plan. And also what I did here is I put that remaining soil in here. It's mixed in here. And then some of the soil that I brought, potting soil, and then I threw some leaves in there because that'll break down and it's good for it. I also threw some of that playground dirt in here just because I had it, and it'll mix in well with the rest of the stuff. And also I got some more mulch and some regular dirt from the garden beds just so I could get enough fill to support these guys. And I'm going to put it all together in just a little bit. I'm going to mix that with this and then put them in the pots, and then I will show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. All I need to do now is to go and get some water and water these guys really good. But Mrs. Mosley's plants are doing really they're growing pretty solid. There is some dryness on some of these guys. Maybe they weren't hydrated enough over the weekend. That makes it a little hard. We got Miss Sanchez's right here. So we have these tomato cages, as you guys can see, and when the plants continue to grow, they're going to keep going up and up. And what you guys may notice is in here there is some pecan shells and some whole pecans I just noticed. But we have a pecan tree at our house, and I think it would be good for them to act as mulch, because then they will break down and feed the plants later on. So that will help retain moisture, and it'll hopefully help these guys continue to grow. And if it gets too cold, we can bring these guys indoors. All right, that's it for this video. We'll catch you on the next one.